The sun's being very aggressive today. Hello everyone, it's Koneko here, and today's video is going to be a lace front wig review from RayRayhair.com. So, like a lot of my review type videos, I got this wig sent to me for free. I was able to pick it out, and of course they would like me to share it on my social media. Mainly my Koneko Cosplays Instagram is what kind of brings in companies and stuff because it has a high follower account, though Instagram needs to get their shit together because like reach sucks for like everybody. Or just a lot of people right now. Anyways, follow me on Twitter, same username, Koneko Cosplays. So I didn't have to make this video for RayRay Hair, but I thought, why not? I'll share the wig that I got. This is my third lace front wig that I own. I think I only bought one of them. My other one from Eva Hair was also like sent to me for free to kind of review. And that was a pink one. And then I have a really long like orange auburn color one that I use for like Ginny Weasley, and I'm gonna use for a photo shoot for like sort of an elf fairy, what's those people from Shadowhunters. And this one is a red lace front wig. So here's the wig. I took it out of the bag and out of like the packaging that wigs typically come in. There is this little tag attached to it that just says their name and has their website, and then there's some like social media icons, and they actually put my name, exclusive to Jamie. So it looks like it's a middle part, and of course it's got the lace front here. Yes, okay, so I actually haven't given this much feel or like look because I was just gonna wait for this video, but it has a clip. It's not really a clip, but it has these like comb features in the front and on the sides, and it like helps keep the wig on. It also came with a wig cap, or maybe two. Yes, two pieces, two-piece wig cap, not hair nets, but wig cap. I don't know if you can request different like colors for this or not. I know some shops you can get like beige or darker colors. Yeah, so I'm glad it came with those. I'll take one out right now to try this on. My hair is always wacko when I'm going to like do videos for reviews because a lot of my videos, I'll just like wear a wig for the whole video, but I'm like, I'm just gonna put a wig on anyways, but who knows what's happening with this hair. Kinda looks like a sock. Okay. Eee. I always find wig caps so difficult. Could you, like, but imagine when I had my really long hair. Some people do hairnet and then wig cap, but that's awfully a lot. Okay. Last time I did a wig review video, there was like a strand of my dark hair peeking out of the blonde wig, and I was like looking at it after it was edited. I'm like, no! But I think I don't know, there might be some slight strands, but it's difficult to get it all up in there, okay? Now to put on the wig. So I'm gonna just put it back here, find my side bits or the little clips. You don't want to put it really far down my forehead. Okay, so I'm pulling the wig forward, pushing the wig cap back a bit, and there's still all this netting here that I'm gonna have to trim to fit my face. So it looks kind of funny. It's kind of like poking me in the eye. Whoa! Yes, work. Okay, I'm gonna trim the netting is gonna drive me bonkers. Where'd my little scissors go? Okay, so I'm gonna do this in the mirror, but basically what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get most of this off, and then really close, I'm just gonna kind of do a bit of a zigzag really close to the weave. Okay, so I got most of it off. There's still like a bit under here, but I'll just trim that off later. So on their website, this wig was listed as their Mera Wig from Aquaman. And I saw that movie and I absolutely loved it. My husband and I went to see it in theaters close to when it came out, I believe. And I got her bodysuit off of Wish, so that should be interesting. Hopefully it comes soon, like before I move. And but I think I could use this wig also for like a lot of other red-haired characters that like maybe don't have bangs, because my other red-haired wigs usually have bangs kind of cut straight across, or it's kind of styled for a certain character. Like my Rias wig is, it needs to be styled better, I know, but it has like a lot of layers here to make it like stand out more, and like short bangs. I already have an Ariel wig, but I feel like this could work for her as well. The Ariel wig I have has like the whoosh. And that's why I kind of wore this little bodysuit thing that I have. It's from La Senza, and they said it was like, it's the material, like you can go swimming in this, so it's kind of like their swimsuit, bodysuit type things. But I didn't have a green one, I had a blue one, so I'm like feeling the Aquaman type looks. I really like this. Red's quite a safe color on me as I am a redhead. Though often in like my Twitch streams and stuff, my hair looks brown, and it's sad because I do like my natural hair color. Oh, let's get some, oh, there's some natural sunlight for you. In case you were curious what it looked like in the sun. Whee. So yeah, let's just do a little, I don't know how well I tucked my hair in back there, but a little spin. So I would love to know what characters you think I could use this wig for. Leave the character name and either like the anime or the video game or like the TV show, the comic book. Leave the name and like where it's from down below in case I have no idea what you're talking about. But I would love to know what I could use this wig for, and just maybe your overall thoughts. Leave that in the comment section below. I'll leave the link to the website and the wig, this specific wig, down in the description box. I hope that you enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye!